In these leads that you're getting, is there any behavioral trend that you're seeing that's a little different this year versus in prior? Because you've been in the industry a while. You've seen a lot of change, possibly in needs, wants, desires. Is there anything that you maybe would stand out as unique, but also kind of understandable of what buyers or sellers are looking for now?
I think the thing that buyers are looking for, one, I think buyers are the most realistic they've ever been, and I think the previous guest kind of touched on that. Is as an agent, you need to help keep them stay focused. But I think they're very realistic. They're like, hey, there's no inventory. If we see something we like, we have to act. There's no more of that, oh, we're going to wait a couple days and submit an offer. No, we're going to submit the offer in the house, possibly, or go do it right after, which technology helps, DocuSign and stuff like that. But we're seeing buyers have the sense of urgency that they've always needed to have. And they're, so that's a really good thing. There's no more, hey, let's think about it. They're either, this house works for me, let's make an offer, or let's go to the next one. And I really like that. As far as sellers, as much as we've been able to push the price, sellers are actually being realistic about their prices. And I think that's why stuff's moving even faster and faster, is because sellers are going like, hey, I know things are moving fast. There's not a lot of inventory, but they're like, I think this is where we need to be on price. And I'm not having to fight with sellers on price at all. And I'm really liking that. So we have realistic buyers, realistic sellers. And I think that's why the market keeps moving at the speed that it's moving. So I like that. That's a good place to be in the market.
Yeah, sellers, if they've got a nice home, move-in ready, and that's priced right, like that's when you see 3 days on market.
Yeah.